really quick tip, if you run out of milk, we drink plant-based milks, but sometimes we run out, and I'm not doing grocery shopping right now. So I have a lot of this cashew butter or almond butter. I've never had peanut butter milk, but if you have, drop a comment down below. But I'm just gonna make some cashew milk really quickly, if you have ever done that before. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some cashew butter, okay, creamy. I've never tried like nutty, but I don't know. So I'm taking some of this out. I'm gonna say that's like maybe 3 tablespoons. That's like 3 tablespoons, right? Okay, so I have my almond butter. I'm gonna put, I don't know. Y'all know I don't do measurements like that. Maybe like, I don't know, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, okay? And I'm gonna do, I don't measure like I said, so it's kind of hard when I'm talking to you guys. I'm gonna do a pinch of salt, my Himalayan pink salt. And then for sweetener, people use maple syrup. Me, I use dates. And these do have seeds in it, so I need to de-seed it. So I'm gonna throw this in here. Oh my gosh, it's actually, I keep them in the fridge, so they're kind of hard. Yeah. They're kind of hard. And there's like this little seed, if you ever know. Because a lot of people get like de-seeded dates, but they do come with seeds. So I'm gonna throw this in there. There's this little hard part too at the end you wanna peel off. So I'm gonna put probably around 4 of these in here. And de-seed that. And de-seed this one. Seeds. Some of them don't have that in piece. And last but not least, no, there you go. So obviously, what are we going to use as liquid? Water. So I'm going to probably do 6 cups of water. About 6 cups of water. So I have 6 cups of water. You're probably wondering, what is my milk going to look like, right? Because right now it will look like a hot mess, right? Water with some butter at the bottom. So I'm going to close it up. Actually, it's liquid, so let me do this. Right? And I'm gonna put it on smoothie mode, and let's see, you can see it right before your eyes what happens. Y'all ready? As you see, what color is it now? I think I still got stuff in there. So what I'm gonna do at this point is, number one, I'm gonna make sure everything has been mixed in. And then I'm gonna taste it to make sure I don't need to add anything else. It's great. Now, it's sweet enough for me. Some people may want more sweetener, but it does taste like cashew milk to me. I'm gonna blend it one more time just to make sure there's nothing else in here. And then we will put it in our jar. Okay. Cashew milk is known, it gets very creamy. As you see how much it has frothed up even more. So I'm actually just gonna put a little bit more vanilla in there. I'm not gonna mix it up anymore. So I have my cashew, my creamy cashew milk. And this, let me move this to the side. I'm gonna take a strainer just in case there's other things that are in there, any other skin of the dates. I'm just gonna pour it in here. And it's important to, like, whenever you keep this in the fridge, you're gonna have to, you will have to shake it up because sometimes it separates the water from the butter. And it still tastes fine. Like, just shake it up. There's nothing in here, it's just all froth. Yeah. I have a Vitamix and it does do justice with everything. So now I have cashew milk. And that's how I make it when I run out of milk and I need some milk for a recipe, because what I'm about to do is make some chia pudding.